Ginger tea is a popular herbal remedy known for its health benefits. Here are 5 potential benefits. 1. Aids digestion. Ginger tea can help alleviate digestive issues like bloating, nausea, and indigestion by stimulating digestive enzymes and improving gut motility. 2. Reduces nausea. It's especially effective in reducing nausea caused by motion sickness, morning sickness during pregnancy, or chemotherapy treatments. 3. Boosts immunity. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of ginger may help strengthen the immune system and combat colds or infections. 4. Relieves inflammation and pain. Ginger tea's anti-inflammatory compounds, such as gingerol, can help reduce pain and swelling, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis or menstrual cramps. 5. Supports weight loss. Ginger tea may aid in weight loss by boosting metabolism, improving fat digestion, and reducing appetite. Would you like to know how to prepare ginger tea or explore more about its health benefits? Let us know in the comments section below.